Hi guys, here 30 minus this 5 square is 25 divided by 7 minus 2 in bracket times 2 plus 1. Now 30 minus 25 is 5 divided by 7 minus 2 in bracket times 2 plus 1. Here 5 divided by 7 minus 2 is 5 times 2 plus 1. Here 5 divided by 5 is 1 times 2 plus 1. Here 1 times 2 is 2 plus 1 is 3 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 3 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before any other operation. So 30 minus 5 square divided by 7 minus 2 is 5 times 2 plus 1. Here the next priority is exponent here. Exponent is 5 to the power of 2. Here 30 minus 5 square is 25 divided by 5 times 2 plus 1. Here next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have division and multiplication. We have to do this multiplication division before this addition and subtraction. Here as per this order of operation, this multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this 25 divided by 5. We have to do this 25 divided by 5 before this any other operation. So 30 minus 25 divided by 5 is 5 times 2 plus 1. Here this multiplication is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. So 30 minus 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1. Here we have addition and subtraction. Here both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 30 minus 10. 30 minus 10 is 20 plus 1. Here 20 plus 1 is 21 is the correct answer.